Ready to turn online searches into your next closed deal? Let's dive into creating killer Google Ads for realtors in just 90 seconds. First, keyword research is key. Use Google's keyword planner and brainstorm terms like homes for sale in your city realtor, or neighborhood real estate agent. Aim for a mix of broad and specific terms. A good starting point is 1,020 keywords to test initial performance before doubling down. Next, craft your ad copy. Your headline needs to grab attention and include a primary keyword. Try something like "buy your dream home in city" or "city realtor expert advice." In the description, highlight your unique selling points: experience, local expertise, or client testimonials. Include a clear call to action like "call now" or "view listings." Now, let's get targeted. Use Google's location targeting to focus your ads on your specific service areas. Refine further by age, demographics, and interests related to home buying. Finally, track your results. Monitor your click-through rate, conversion rate, leads generated, and cost per lead. Use this data to refine your keywords, ad copy, and targeting. Pause underperforming ads and double down on what works. Consistent monitoring and optimization is essential for a successful campaign. Remember, every click is a potential client.